Recall for the facts of this case study is a 20-year-old tour guide in Semporna district were detained under suspicion of sexually harassment of two Chinese tourists in age 18 and 22 years old during a snorkeling and fishing trip, which the victims were reported to the police stating it occurred in the water of the district island. The suspect who were arrested at their workplace on the mainland did not possess an identification document or a work permit, violating immigration regulations. And additionally, a 37-year-old tour company managers was detained also for contravening employment laws by hiring the guide without proper documentation. Both individuals were remanded for 4 days under the provisions of the Penal Code and Immigration Act for further investigations.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nur Atria binti Muhammad Asri and my matric number is 2866035. The issue of the case is alleged sexual harassment of two Chinese tourists by a tour guide and also employment of the tour guide without proper identification or travel documents.
Next, for the holding of the case, the suspect and the manager were detained and remanded for 4 days. Investigation is ongoing under Section 354 of the Penal Code for outraging modesty and under the Immigration Act for entering and staying in Malaysia without valid documents. The manager will be investigated under Section 55B of the Immigration Act, which carries penalties of a fine, imprisonment, or both if found guilty.
So next, we're going to talk about the rationale of the case holding. The detention of both suspect and the manager is to facilitate the further investigation into the alleged sexual harassment and the employment of the tour guide without proper documentation. Legal actions are being pursued under relevant sections of the Penal Code and the Immigration Act to address the alleged offences.
In conclusion, the case involves serious allegations of sexual harassment against tourists and the employment of individuals without proper documentation in the tourism industry. Other than that, law enforcement authorities are taking action to investigate the matter truly and pursue legal action against those responsible for the alleged offences. Thank you.